Hello guys, this is me, your Professor Chavarria, and I want to say hello to you. For this class, we have a pre-recorded lesson, and this is going to help you. I want to give you the time to prepare for your test that we're going to have next week, and also we're going to have the presentation. So basically, I didn't want to include more content to the lesson, so this one is planned for you to um, if you have if you haven't finished any of the assignments, you still have till today. And if you want to make some extra credit activities, for example, the reading analysis is available up to midnight, and also the movie analysis, it's up to midnight. So in case you want to kind of like apply for the extra credits over there, like it's fine. You still have a couple of hours. Um, what else? Basically, I wanted to have a conversation with you about one activity or methodology, if you want to call it like that, that I'm very excited about. I read all of your comments. Thank you very much for your comments in the assessment session for the first term of the course. Thank you very much for the nice comments, and thank you very much for the suggestions. I'm currently, probably you noticed some of the changes you have on the platform. We have different sections, or we combine sections because like it makes it easier for you. For those of you who only join to the class or connect from the cell phone, smartphone, or something like that. So we're modifying everything on the platform for the second term. Another thing that we're doing is we're having this methodology that, as I mentioned before, I'm very excited about. It's the group color. It's a group color code that we're going to have. It's going to be very similar to the one that we are already applying for the project for the pre-presentation that we have on Thursday. So yes. So I'm going to make this invitation for you to start thinking about this activity. I'm going to require from you that you select a group of people that you are going to work through the whole term, the second term. You can choose the same people that you're working with right now currently for this project, or you can select different people. The deadline for submitting the members of your group, it's going to be next Thursday. So you basically have 1 week to think about who are going to be the members of your team for the second semester, the second term of the semester. And if you want to keep working with the same people that you already have in the group, and if you want to keep the color, that's going to be fine. You just let me know through an email. And if you want to keep the same leader for this project, it's going to be fine. If you want to wait till this project finishes, so you know how the people works, or how you work with these people in particular, the people that are working in the group, or if it works for you because of the schedule, because of the activity, because of the effort, because of the, I don't know, like the attitude of the other person, like you can basically wait and see how it goes for this project, for the project presentation about the early national period. And then you let me know, I want to keep working with this group, or I want to move to another group, create another group. Take into consideration that we need 5 members for each group. So you are going to find 5 different people that are going to be part of your second term of the American Leadership course. Another thing, so hopefully that is clear. I'm going to give more indications via email, and if you have any questions about this, you just let me know. But it's very simple. So you just need to think about 5 people that you want to work with during the second semester, and then you get to choose a color, and then you get to choose a leader for the group. It's pretty similar to the one that we already have. If you want to work with the same people, you can keep working with the same people, because we have like different activities for the second term. As I mentioned before, I read your comment. I'm making some changes, and I'm taking some of your suggestions, and hopefully we have even more fun with this second semester. I got to know you a little bit more. what you like, what you don't like, what are some of the activities you like the most, what were some of the activities you didn't like. So I'm trying to adjust the process so you get comfortable. At the same time, you're learning the content of the American literature. At the same time, you get to practice your English. At the same time, basically you're having fun. So we're gonna have like this element of gamification for the class that hopefully you're gonna love it. So we're gonna try it, we're gonna see how it goes. So pretty much that's about the indications for the second term of the course. So think about those people that you want to work with, and then let me know. And another thing is that for next week, we have scheduled the midterm. That is going to be the first midterm. Please study. I don't want anybody to fail. I don't want to, I want you to succeed in the class. Like I'm trying to make my best for you to learn. And if you were part of the whole process of learning and you completed all the tasks, and you have a notion of what American literature it's all about at this point. And study about the early explorers and writings, study about the early national period, the colonial period, the Enlightenment. I already gave you the sessions that you're going to study about. And for this class, we are not going to have a content class because I want to give you the time to prepare for your midterm. And also the lightning in here is so weird. Anyways, that's so random of a comment. That's a random comment, don't pay attention. So we have the midterm that is going to be the first one. And then we also have the project. So you have a lot of things to do. So I didn't want to complicate things even more. So you're going to have this recording, go and check the materials. You have like 3 Quizlets that some of them are already presented to you in previous sessions, but it's going to be very helpful for you to study if you're one of those people that like to practice memorization in different ways through vocabulary concepts. Like, I mean, you can have like different options in Quizlet if you want to practice through games also, because you have the option over there. So you can do it. You can perfectly do it. And also I prepare a presentation. So it says a study guide, understanding the periods. That is a consolidation of some of the major periods, movements that we study during this segment of the American literature course. What else? If you have no idea what to do for your project, and if you haven't think about what you're doing, or what platform you're using, or what is best for me to do a mind map, a timeline, I'm going to give you some options. I'm going to share my screen for you. So you get to, let's see, where is it? I think it's this one. Okay, so the first option that you have, it's Miro. Some of you probably are familiar with it. Miro, it's a website, and it's also an app that is for free. You can use it and you can log in or yes. So, and then what you're gonna, I'm gonna show you. No, I don't want to create a team right now. Okay, I'm gonna create a new one. So Miro, it gives you the option to create different types of content, and probably you have a mind map or you have a story framework, and let's see, depending on what you want to perform or what you want to show. I personally have used this one in the past with like different projects that are the sticky notes. They are very useful. So Miro is like this board that it's open, but you can have diagrams, and you can use the different kind of, so it's easier for you to have like a template or something that you can work on, and you don't have to start from scratch. Yeah. So let's go to the popular ones. So let's go to my map, and then add file, and then you can modify it if you want. So you have like different case and structures, and then that's one of the options I'm giving you to have this. And then we have Bisme. Bisme is this one platform that basically helps you to create presentation, infographics, and printables if you want. If you want to create a web page, you can perfectly create a web page. And then what you do is, for example, if you want to have like a presentation, you can use the templates that are already part of it. Or if you want to customize a template, we're going to preview this. We can use this template, for example, if you want to have an infographic. So you can perfectly use this one. So it's going to take a couple of minutes, but hopefully it's going to be useful. And then you start editing the different kind of content that you have. You can add graphics, photos, data, media, theme colors, files, everything. You can adjust the text. I mean, it depends on you, what you want, what you prefer. And then there's this one that it's really cool. Prezi, probably you're familiar with Prezi presentations, but Prezi now has the option for video presentations. You can create the presentation over there, and hopefully, let's see. We're gonna watch the video so you get the idea of what Prezi video is about. Okay, so you don't necessarily need a Microsoft account. You can go and explore the different options so you can log in and register in this platform. It's very cool. I have used it in the past. If you want to collaborate at the same time and work on the same project, so this can be a good option because of the different schedule that you may have. So you can have different activities. So those are three options that I'm giving you. So if you had no idea what to do with the presentation, if you need any other suggestion about how to do this, how to do that, like probably I can help you with. If not, I can research at the same time simultaneously, so we can get an answer. We can figure out how to do what you want in specific. Yes, so that's it, guys. I hope this is very short, but I just wanted to say hi, and I just wanted to pretty much like guide you through this session that is basically to prepare for next week. That is going to be a big week. Thank you very much. Have a good one. See you, and I'm free to answer all of your questions. If you have any suggestions, questions, doubts about the project, about the midterm, so please let me know. Bye.